How you doing, folks? I know I've not been keeping up to date with the videos. I think I lost 2 days there due to wrestling kind of thing. But I was back in training today. We had Rampage Brown in for a guest seminar. One of the best seminars I've been to. A lot of insightful information. Even just basic things, but as I said before in previous things, it's the way it's told sometimes. It's the way it's explained, and it was absolutely fantastic. Got some really good feedback from them. I've been told that I actually impressed them quite a bit, which I'm quite happy with, because I mean Rampage Brown is one of the best in the world. So that's picked my spirits up as well. Managed to get a promo done as well for Sunday's match against Joe Henry, so that's going to be online quite soon as well. So good diet wise today as well. I had my breakfast, just Weetabix tea that I've been having every other morning. Nice wee lunch of soup, a couple of slices of wholemeal bread, a wee bit of mackerel as well as for a wee snack. I'm going to get my dinner just now, which consists of pork loin with the fat trimmed off, and some chicken with some vegetables. So that's all good. Tomorrow, hopefully, go out putting out some flyers and posters for the last run for Beath, and then on Friday I'm starting my new gym. Look forward to it. It's got a boxing ring in it, so I'm going to be doing some wrestling drills in here, just basic setting goes, up and overs, that grapes, that kind of thing as well, like wrestling based conditioning. So I look forward to that with a couple of good friends. So aye, I'll catch you later.